Waking up each morning has to be one of the most underrated blessings from God. A new opportunity to reset, learn, and do our best work. Hello, my name is Onyedesi Anthony, and I am a digital creator based in the city of Lagos, Nigeria. And this is a day in my work life. The reason this video is titled Day in the Life of a Digital Creator is that on a daily basis, I find myself making a variety of things, from video edits to motion graphics, 3D animations, and even thumbnails, and today is no exception. Usually for the first task of the day, I set a timer for 2 hours and aim to finish the task within the time period. Although this isn't always possible, it helps me stay focused, especially for the first tasks in the morning. For the tools I use, it's a lot of Adobe products, Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and After Effects being the main ones. And in terms of 3D, I primarily make use of Blender, which for a long time I was using solo, but now I've started to integrate Substance Painter into my workflow. At this point, I'm done working on a lot of clients' projects for the day. This allows me to then work on personal projects. I think personal projects are incredibly valuable for creators just starting out or ones looking to get more gigs. A lot of the paid gigs I've gotten over the years have been off the back of personal projects, and it has also given me the opportunity to do work for dream clients like the Sidemen. For this project, I'm working on a script for a video breaking down how I made a 3D spec ad for skincare brand Rationale. I want to do a lot of these over the coming weeks, so definitely subscribe to not miss out on any of them. At the end of the day, I would get to more clients' work which I haven't gotten to already, and this would usually lead me to when it's time to head to bed. If you're curious about anything I spoke about in the video, please leave them in the comment section and I will do my best to answer. Thank you for watching.